Hello lovelies, welcome back to Udu's kitchen. Let's make some water yam ball or JoJo with vegetables. This is delicious water yam ball with a twist. And so here we have our water yam and the ingredients we'll be using to prepare it. First we start by cutting out our water yam. And after cutting out the water yam, I'll proceed to peel the bag from it. And after peeling, set aside and repeat the same process for the other ones. And here is our water yam nicely peeled. Next we proceed to grate. I'm going to be grating it with the smoother part of the kitchen grater. This part of the grater makes the water yam to come out very smooth. And once done with the grating of the water yam, set aside. And next we proceed to prepare the other ingredients. And next I'll nicely slice the scotch bonnet pepper and onions. And after slicing the pepper and the onions, set aside. And next, peel the carrot. This is to ensure that our carrot is very clean. And after peeling, set aside and repeat the same process for the other carrots. And after peeling the carrots and setting them aside, next we proceed to slice our vegetable. I'll be using ugu vegetable for this. So I'll just take about 5 leaves from it, rinse thoroughly and slice into smaller chunks. And here we have our vegetable nicely sliced, the onions and the fresh pepper. I'll set them aside. Then I'll be bringing in the grated water yam. So I'll start by grating the carrot into the water yam. And after grating the carrot into the water yam, I'll be adding the other ingredients to the water yam. So I'll be adding the fresh pepper, onions and vegetable to it. And after adding the vegetables to the grated water yam, I'll also be adding to it 1 egg. And lastly, I'll be adding some salt to it. And then mix together thoroughly. Please ensure to mix together thoroughly so that everything can be well combined. And after mixing everything together and it is well combined, this is how it looks like. Next, we proceed to fry. And so before I proceed to scoop the water yam into the preheated oil, I'll be adding a little of it to the oil to know if it is hot enough for me to fry them. And so if it flows from the bottom to the top, which means it's ready. And now that the oil is hot enough, I'll gently scoop the water yam mixture into it. And after scooping into the oil, allow to fry for some minutes before flipping them up so that both sides can be well fried. Please fry on a medium heat so that the water yam ball can be well cooked both inside and outside. Fry them until they become golden brown. And once both sides are well fried, remove them from the oil and transfer into a collecting container lined with paper towel. Repeat the same process for the remaining ones. And here we have it, delicious water yam or ojojo prepared with vegetables. It tastes so great and very easy to prepare. Please try this out today and see how delicious it is. And now that you have learned another exciting way to enjoy your water yam, please don't forget to like this video, comment and share with your loved ones. Please do well to subscribe to Udu's Kitchen for more awesome videos like this. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video.